A lot of you have been commenting about how my shirt stays the same, and like hair too, and nails and stuff stays the same in every single video. So I'm going to answer that. So you know how actors and stuff have like costumes that they have to wear during their show? That's kind of what I'm doing. Not acting, but just like having a costume for my show, you know? So I just wear this all the time, you know? Finches, let's talk about some finches. Darwin's finches, to be exact. So the whole theme of this episode is obviously the finches and natural selection. My science class actually learned about this, so props to you, Miss Stam. I know you're watching this because you have to. Okay, so natural selection basically is like how some organisms of like the same species kind of get it like better for themselves, you know? So for example of the finches, some finches have big beaks. These big beaks are only a little bit bigger than the small beaks, but they make a huge difference. Okay, so the big beaks can eat the big seeds as well as the small seeds, while the small beaks can only eat the small seeds. So when the drought year came around, this only left the big seeds. So as you probably could have guessed, the finches with the small beaks were kind of screwed because there were only big seeds left and they couldn't really eat those. So yeah, so that's kind of like an example of natural selection with the finches. So even though the two different birds are the same species, they have two different diets. One has to eat big seeds and one has to eat small seeds. So basically, kind of to sum it all up, natural selection is kind of having the better of choices. Here's an example so you get that. So the two choices in this instance are a small beak and a big beak. The big beak was given to this bird, the small beak was given to this bird. Here's another big beak, here's another small beak. These birds are kind of giving the best of the two because they can eat every seed they find almost. But these small beak birds, these ones over here, they can't eat the big seeds. So it's kind of just like process of elimination, except they don't really eliminate, they just kind of don't get what they need, you know? But it's fine that they get that because they have a diet to suit their beak. Like they don't really go around looking for the big seeds because they know their diet is the small seeds. That was really confusing, but natural selection is kind of just getting like a random adaptation and like trying to suit yourself to it, you know? So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, as always, please like this video if you enjoyed it so I know, and drop a subscribe down below so you can see my journeys in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye! Did you hear how many times I said so? Okay, bye. So, wait, what?